Hi, Brody.
I got installations.
Uh-huh. I saw Ethan.
I'm gonna help you sing.
Really? No.
I'm helping you sing and get no toe on.
Don't hit it.
I'm helping you sing and get no toe on.
Well, why don't you use your mitten?
I got insulations. My toes are actually, my legs are actually good.
Time to get that part, toe. But the best way to clean up the tree.
Come on, Brody. Come on, good boy.
This way.
Brody. He was like right next to my feet. I felt him at the ground moving.
Yeah. Wow.
My feet?
This is a lot of snow.
Yeah, can you find my feet?
No?
Loki,
Yeah, there you go.
is that what you're having over there?
Yeah, that's good.
You know we're going to get like another half a foot.
It's pretty good.
Yeah.
I'm gonna get the sleds.
Hey, Brode.
No, not yet.
I call the blue one. Or do you want the blue one?
Brody's eating it. Go, Brody, go. Go, Brody, go. Good boy.
Look at his butt. It's all snow.
Oh, he's going to poop.
Whoa. Ew. Ew.
Oh, it's like Play-Doh.
He just walked through it.
Chayton, go cover it up with snow.
No.
An idiot.
I'll do it.
Have you
No. I'll carry it up to the compost pile. I can't see the dog. Where's your dog? Oh, there he is.
There's a motorcycle on the road right now.
Mm-hmm. I think that's a snowmobile, Ethan.
Oh, yeah, it is.
Wow. We found the Taco.
Tank here. Good boy. Oh man, we need a snowmobile. Hi, Brode. Hi, buddy. Do you want to go inside? Are you getting cold? We got snowballs.
Snow's cold.
Look at Tank. Oh my gosh. Tank! Get it, Tank. Get the snow.
She's eating peanuts.
Abby, get out of there. Put her inside, Ethan.
Abby, inside, come on. I can't open. Oh wait, okay. Abby,
Inside.
I can't open up the door.
Abby, get out of there.
Abby,
Come on, Brody. Come on, Brody.
you're in the drug right now.
Oh,
My face.
your face is pink. All right, well, let Brody in.
Brody. Don't go into my room, dog. Go on. That's it. Come on.
Come on, Abby. Why were we trying to get her in? Oh, she's pooping. We're going to have to remember all these spots.
There and there.
Abby, that's a funny way to poop.
I don't think she's pooping.
I think we need to make them a path. A poop path.
Did you go? Who's gonna go get the keys? For the blue.
Where you going?
You wanna go get the keys?
Your brother would like some help.
Hey, I thought you said you wanted. I wanted this. So you said I could have the blue one. Oh wait, no, you wanted the blue one.
Here, Tank. Come on. Inside. Come. Oh my God. Tank, here. Here, get inside. It's too pretty to ruin.
Mommy, could you hold this?
Sure.
You hold this, or I go up too.
Mommy's not even holding it.
I'll bring it up. I'm just recording you. Your legs are tired? Do you have all your medicine? You should have all of it.
You're welcome.
He made you a path chain. Ethan, can you make a little trail?
I'm gonna try.
Okay. Oh, it's cold. The wind is starting.